Today, I'm going to talk about some common problems within Smartmusic, and I'm going to give you some quick fixes on how to take care of these issues. All right, let's get right to the video today. Let's take a look at the first question, and the first question is, my music is too small. How do I make the music larger so I can see it a little bit easier? This is a simple fix. You go up to the top after you've opened up your music, and you find the word display. You click on display, and over on the right hand side you'll see zoom. There's a minus and a plus. Obviously, if I click on the plus, it's going to make my music a lot larger. If I click on the minus, it's going to make it smaller. Another question is, I have students who joined after I posted the assignment. Can they get the assignment too, even if I didn't click on allow all students to get this assignment? Yes, it is possible. Let's go into the gradebook. So I'm going to take this assignment here, and I'm going to click on that pencil icon, and I'm going to click Edit Timeline and Students. Now I'm going to click on Assign to Some Students. Now I'm going to click Cancel, and you can see it says 0 selected, 13 total. This clears the students getting the assignment. Now I'm going to click on Assign to All Students again. Then I'm going to click Assign to Some Students. Now I'm going to come in and I'm going to click on a few students that I would like to get this assignment, and I'm going to click Add Students. It tells me I've removed 10 students from this assignment. They won't see this assignment anymore. Any data related to takes already submitted or grades awarded will be lost. And I'll click OK. Now you can see 3 students are receiving this assignment, and I can click the Next button. The next question that's been asked is, how can I view my class from the student perspective? If you go and get yourself a second email address, so it's different than the one that you registered in Smartmusic with, then you can log in using that address and you can see from the student's perspective. You will, however, take up a seat in your class. That's the only bad thing about it. But if you bought extra seats to do this, then it's not an issue, and all you would need is just a $10 seat. The next question is, how do I reset the password for my student's account so that they can start using Smartmusic again? So it's very simple. All you have to do is go into the login page, click on Forgot Password. You want to put in the email address that they used when they first signed up for Smartmusic. Once you put that in, then you click Reset Password, and then you get an email sent to you, and in that email there'll be a link that you click on that you can go and reset the password. Some people have tried to use their primary email and it didn't work. So then at that point, what you're going to have to do is use that secondary email that you put into their account. If you put that secondary email in, you still should be able to get a link for resetting the password. If that doesn't work, then your only option at that point is to call Smartmusic and have them reset the whole account. The next question, can I share my classes with another teacher? Yes, you can. So the first way you would do that is by getting an extra teacher subscription along with your own. That gives you 2 total subscriptions, and then you would just go in and you would link the second teacher's subscription to your classes. The second way is a lot easier, but you would have to give up a little bit of control. You would just have to share your password and login information with that second teacher so they can use that same password and login information to get into Smartmusic to access those classes. I have an assignment in my gradebook that I need to go in and I need to edit. How do I do that? So let's go into our gradebook. I'm going to want to click on the pencil icon. And when I click on the pencil icon, it brings up this box that says Edit an existing assignment. I'm going to click on Edit Timeline and Students. So now I click on the date, and I'm going to make this December 1st now. And then I'm also going to allow late submissions. And I'm going to take that late submissions all the way to February. I also have clicked Applies to pending assignments at time of enrollment. So my whole gradebook is going to change. I can also choose to assign this to all students, which I do want. That way, if there's any students who come in late, they're also going to get this assignment. And then I just click on the Save arrow, and I'm done, and that's edited. My seats are not showing up, and we've paid for them. Let's go into our admin section. And this is my school platform. And you can see I have one teacher linked, one available. In the standard, there's 51 seats. And in the premium, there's 43 seats. That is my class. If I accidentally go in and click on an older, and this is my platform from the fourth 9 weeks of last year, this was during COVID, those were all free seats, which now Smartmusic is not offering these free seats, so I don't have any available. So if I went and purchased and clicked on the wrong platform, now I'm going to see this and think, Smartmusic did not give me my seats, what's going on? And where all I need to do is go up and make sure I'm on the correct platform so I can see my teacher subscriptions and student subscriptions. I hope I was able to help you to fix some of the problems you've been having in Smartmusic. If I have, be sure to hit the like button. Also, if there's some more questions that you have about Smartmusic, just put those down in the comments below, and I'll be sure to answer those questions.